presence in the tabernacle or sa online. Or ito po, itong mga prayers na ito ay best na i-recite sa harap ng ating Panginoon, expose sa monstrance, sa tabernacle, sa presence ng ating Panginoon. At kung wala po ay pwedeng online at maari sa harap ng crucifix, or kung wala pa rin po, anywhere. Ito po yung all 20 mysteries of the Rosary, Chaplet of the Precious Blood, Litany of the Precious Blood, the mystical prayers, consecration to the Precious Blood, at consolation and adoration prayers. So ito po yung 20 mysteries po, at ang pagdadasal ng mga chaplet ng Precious Blood, Litany. So lahat naman po ito ay nasa internet. Ayun. So dito po natin magagamit ang ating internet. Our Lord said, a minimum of 1 hour between the hours of midnight and 3 a.m. on Friday morning is acceptable. Ito po. So, yun. Pwede nga pong 1 oras na minimum. My children, I welcome all of you into this holy adoration as my loving children, to wake up from their coldness and turn away from their unfaithfulness. The hour is at hand. The enemy is fast approaching. Wake up, watch and pray that you will not fall into temptation. My children, come, follow me, and enter Gethsemane for prayer, that you will not give up during the hour of trials.